Welcome to 3612 Old Leesburg Road. This cute 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath brick home, the covered front porch, nice sized backyard, as well as hardwood flooring and updated interior inside. It's located in Southeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, Fort Jackson, the VA hospital, and other Southeast Columbia area amenities. So you can see there's a driveway here off to the right side of the home itself. Nice brick exterior, again with that covered front porch. There is a carport structure in the backyard as well, as you'll be able to see from the once we get back there. But if you step inside, you notice first thing the beautifully refinished hardwood flooring, real hardwood. And those are in the living room here off the entry. You continue on down the hall into the bedrooms. Nice sized living room, as you can see as we come in. Have a window towards the front and the side. And then it continues into the kitchen. You have updated luxury vinyl plank flooring in the kitchen. I believe that's in the bathrooms also. So nice open and bright kitchen, as you can see. You have an included smooth top electric range and refrigerator. Updated countertops and nice white painted cabinets as well. You have a laundry area over here for what looks like a stackable washer and dryer, and that may actually just be a washer connection in there. I do see hookups for that, but don't see any venting or connections for a dryer. So off the kitchen as well, you do have a half bathroom, a commode, and single vanity medicine cabinet. And then we have access to the backyard here, where you have a nice sized patio off the back, and then again that detached carport or parking structure, as you can see. So you have some covered storage space back there. Again, a nice sized yard. You do have some kind of mature plants along the back that do give you a bit of privacy there as well. And then back inside, all of your bedrooms, of course, are down the hall this way. On the way there, we do have a linen closet. Off to our right, there is the full bathroom, where you have a shower and tub. In here, updated single vanity here as well. We'll step back so you can see the medicine cabinet, some updated lighting, and then you have sort of a mirror along here. So the bathroom's kind of been reconfigured from what would have been the original floor plan of most of these homes. So it's been sort of enlarged to include what would have probably been the space that holds a master half bathroom in the room that we'll see in a second. So a bedroom here off the hallway as well, and a closet there. I'm just cycling around. And that one was front facing. This is a front facing bedroom as well. The one at the far left of the house, if you're looking from the front. And it has a slightly larger closet. And then last but not least, your third and final bedroom. So this is most likely what would have been that primary suite bathroom, or primary suite, and possibly would have had a bathroom somewhere connecting in there. But it looks like that's been closed off and additional space added from the other side. But you do have one full-size closet in here, and then an additional closet that sort of functions more as a linen closet. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address 3612 Old Leesburg Road, nicely updated home in Southeast Columbia. So you can find out more information online at sc.purepm.co.